This is going to get really close. Álex Márquez, that was really late. A double dive bomb from Márquez. They are three abreast here. Jack Miller getting frustrated and angry with Álex Márquez. Here we go then. There was Álex Márquez. How did he pick his way through there? I've no idea how Márquez Basecki and Márquez got away with that one. There we go again. Álex Márquez running in wide and cutting back to the line where Jack Miller was already sitting. That was eye of the needle stuff, wasn't it? Álex Márquez just wondered whether that was it.